This video will cover populating base data in the GeoOps incident directory. Base data is existing data relevant to the area of an incident. While incident data often comes through the CIDL, GISS are responsible for gathering base data on their own. If you anticipate supporting incidents in your local area, gather and maintain base data for your area of operation. As GISS can get assigned anywhere in the country, you should be prepared to obtain data when assigned out of your local area by contacting local offices for their most up-to-date data, using national tools developed by folks in the GISS community, and using authoritative internet sources. What kinds of base data should you be prepared with? First, unless you plan to use a tiled base map such as the Forest Service base map, or a digital raster graphic, or DRG, for your topographic base map, you should be prepared with all of the data that comprises one. This includes contours, hydrographic features such as rivers and lakes, geographic place names such as summits and canyons, community names, transportation features, administrative boundaries, utility infrastructure such as power lines, and structures. Additionally, it's helpful to gather base data that may alter strategies and tactics, such as wilderness and other special management area boundaries, threatened and endangered species critical habitat data, and historical fire perimeters. Recreational infrastructure such as trailheads and campgrounds can be helpful landmarks and often values needing protection. Hillshades may be used to better display topography, and orthoimagery may be requested to view changes in vegetation type across the landscape. So where can we get this data from? In 2024, the Forest Service released a vector tile layer base map for the entire United States. It can be found in the Data Layers National Incident Base Data group in the NIFC org. This base map also comes default in the Incident Web Map template and in the map view provided in the Pro Project template APRX in the GeoOps Incident Directory template. There are DRGs available for download from the NIFC FTP site. If you'd prefer to use vector data, the easiest way to download that data is through Panun tools. The base data acquisition and feature layer download tools both provide options for vector-based data download in file geodatabase format, accompanied by layer files for standardized symbology. Finally, there are a number of both vector and raster datasets available in the NIFC ArcGIS Online org that are shared with the Data Layers group. There are also many authoritative internet sources from which to download data. A number of these are linked on the GISS Workflow Populate Base Data page. And many federal and state agencies, counties, and local municipalities have hub or open data sites where you can download data or leverage services. As for where to file base data in the GeoOps incident directory, there is a base data folder at the root of the directory that comes pre-populated with a number of subfolders for storing base maps, elevation data such as hillshades and DEMs, logos to include on map layouts, orthoimagery, and vector data.